Marrakesh, the Red City. Let's start our adventure in Marrakesh, also known as the Red City, named for its iconic red-hued buildings. This city is a sensory explosion. Snake charmers, storytellers, and mouth-watering street food fill the famous Jemaa el-fnaa square. By day, it's a lively market. By night, it transforms into a carnival of lights, music, and delicious aromas. Step inside the Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and lose yourself in its maze of alleyways. Here, you'll find everything from handcrafted leather goods to piles of colorful spices. Don't miss the Bahia Palace and the Ben Youssef Madrasa for a glimpse into Marrakesh's royal and scholarly past. After all that exploring, head to a rooftop cafe like Café des Épices for a refreshing mint tea and a bird's-eye view of the action below. Fez, the ancient heart of Morocco. Next stop, Fez. This city is home to the world's largest car-free urban area, the Medina. With over 9,000 winding alleys and 4,000 dead ends, getting lost here is part of the fun. Watch out for donkeys and listen for shouts of balak as you navigate the bustling streets. The Medina is a living museum where centuries-old traditions are still alive and well. Must-sees in Fez include the Qayraween Mosque and University, the oldest university in the world, though only Muslims can enter. The Chouara tanneries are a feast for the senses, where workers dye hides in vibrant colors. And don't miss the stunning Madrasa Bou Inania, a masterpiece of Moroccan craftsmanship. Explore the Jewish cemetery and Habarim synagogue for a glimpse into Fez's multicultural history. For the best city views, head to Borj Nord, a 16th century fort now housing a fascinating arms museum. The Sahara Desert. Adventure awaits. Now, let's hit the road to the Sahara Desert, an adventure you'll never forget. Most tours start from Marrakesh or Fez, and while the drive is long, the scenery is absolutely worth it. Arrive in Merzouga, the gateway to the Sahara, and swap your car for a 4x4 or even a camel ride through the dunes. As the sun sets, the sand turns fiery orange, perfect for Instagram. Spend the night in a luxury desert camp, complete with private tents, ensuite bathrooms, and lantern-lit paths. After dinner, step outside for some of the clearest stargazing you'll ever experience. Join in with traditional Berber music around the campfire. It's pure magic. Wake up early to catch the sunrise from the top of a dune. If you're feeling adventurous, try quad biking or buggy riding across the sand. And don't miss the chance to visit a nomadic Berber family, experience their hospitality and learn about their way of life. Travel tips and local flavors. Food is a huge part of the Moroccan experience. Try tagine, a slow-cooked stew, or pastilla, a sweet and savory pie. In Marrakesh, the street food stalls at Jemaa el-fnaa are a must. In Fez, look for hidden local eateries serving up authentic flavors. From the vibrant streets of Marrakesh and Fez to the breathtaking Sahara Desert, Morocco offers a journey like no other. Whether you're exploring ancient Medinas, savoring delicious food, or sleeping under the stars, you're sure to leave with memories to last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this Moroccan adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!